Good morning. How's everyone doing? Morning. Gonna mark up gold here. Already marked up gold futures. What's good, Jeffsky? All right, so we got our daily swing high here. And so previous daily candle high. Previous daily candle low. And we got this daily support. Take a look at it for hour. Right. For our demand. Got this resistance here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Switch this resistance here to the 1 hour resistance. Okay. Look at the 30-minute. Got this support here. It kind of closed below it here on the 30s. Take a look at this supply here on the 30-minute. The 15. Change this to the 15. Minute minor support. One. Okay. So 1 hour supply, 1 hour just closed. We did close below the support, and we closed below this. It's not really strong enough, but it's better than the yesterday's low that we kind of broke. So and the fact that this 1 hour candle closed with no bottom wick here on, wait, does it have a bottom wick? Doesn't look like we have a bottom wick on this candle. If we do not, then we should get a pullback here. 15. All right. Take a look at the 1 hour on futures. Okay, so futures, we got the bottom wick, this 1 hour candle, and we closed below nicely. So 30-minute, 1 hour, and we got a 1 hour supply here. I was gonna actually take this pre-London, but then I went to sleep. Took a quick nap. So 15. Good morning, Diddy. All right, so all we have to do now is nothing but wait. That's all we got to do. Morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a good NY session. YouTube. Which email am I using? I'm using the I think it's the colored EMA. I'm using this one. This one right here. Colored EMA. Let me just make sure that's the one I'm using. Yeah, that's the one I'm using. So we got a minor BOS here, which means we could come down eventually and break this major low of this range. So between the daily high, previous daily high and the previous daily low, that's our range. You can see it clearly here on the 15-minute. Now, if we can close below this daily range, there's a chance we're gonna continue down. But if we fail to break and close below it, now on the 5-minute, it would be nice for us to see pretty much a resistance form, which is gonna look like this, and then we can look to take the buys, because even though we did not break the lows, we have a minor break of structure, which is pretty much the first range. We broke that, so price could continue to the downside. So we need to see pretty much a support formed, and then if we start breaking the resistance form, we can actually take the buys. We wait for that on the 5, and if we want to take the trade on the 5, we can, or we can just take it on the 15-minute. It does not matter. And this said yesterday too, I almost took it. I was like, you know what? Let me sit my ass down. And that's what's good enough. Let me just sit my ass down. I'm muted. I didn't know. Thank you, Didi. I didn't know. Yeah, so I'm using the colored EMA on TradingView. And I was saying, this sell yesterday, I almost took it right here. And to be honest, I was just gonna target this low here, all the way down here. Gonna take it and then just go to sleep, leave it alone. But I was like, you know what? Let me sit my hands down. And that was good enough yesterday. And some of you caught these buys too yesterday. I wanted to pull a while yesterday. You didn't get anything yesterday? Well, it happens. We've had days like that. Nothing doing in London, nothing doing in New York. Wait, what time was this? Oh no, I was gonna take it over here. This was where I was gonna take it. To London. Before I took a nap. Not here, this was 1:15. I'm using 200, Diddy. But if you add the 200 EMA to your chart, don't base your decision off of the 200 EMA, okay? Just still look at your supply and demand zone, look at the structure, look at the momentum. Just use it as just use it for more confirmation, pretty much. Morning, Misty. Mm. Down for the week, done enough damage, done more worst week of the year so far. You're not trading until Monday? Okay. Good morning, Bliss. Advice on someone going on existential crisis. Used to love trading and very passionate. Now sometimes you're tired, unmotivated. Okay, so when you start feeling like that, thinker, you just need to take a step back and just stop trading. Right? Take a step back, stop trading, and look at what you were doing wrong, right? So that you can make sure you don't keep repeating the same mistake, right? And 9 out of 10 times, what you're doing wrong just has to do with your psychology. So you just got to take a step back, look at the chart, see the mistake you've been doing, back test if you have to, and then you just come back strong. Because if you feel unmotivated, then there's no point doing this. Once you lose that motivation, man, you might as well give up. But in order for you not to give up, man, there's a fly here. In order for you not to give up, you have to take a step back. Oh, I can't hear you guys. You're right. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Yeah, someone say something now on WebEx.
Man, yeah, I think he's deaf. I think he's lost his hearing.
Man. YouTube, have you guys been hearing them this whole time? YouTube?
Nope.
They couldn't hear you guys either?
No.
We were talking shit about them.
Really?
I get an echo though, because everyone got an echo.
Yeah.
And now
it's
we are
echoing.
back on the live mic music. Echo.
There's echo?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay, I think I know why it's doing that. Let me fix it on my computer. With the speakers. Okay, I'll say something now. Oh, I can hear you guys. What about now?
Testing. Hello?
Still echoing?
No echo.
Okay, cool.
That's much better. Can YouTube hear us now?
They should be able to. YouTube, can you guys hear them now? Yeah, they can hear you guys now.
Oh man, thank God you didn't hear what Wall just said. Oh my God. I feel bad for them. Phew. It's straight ban. I'm sorry, Abe. Didi had a question for you, but I don't think you could hear us.
Oh, okay. Oh, the name of the moving average is colored EMA. So on TradingView, just type EMA. Oh no, shit, not DMA. And then it's gonna be this one, colored EMA. Or just type colored EMA, because man, I got a lot of. Yep. So colored EMA by Zen and the Art, I think. And then you switch it to 200. All right, Christine. You're welcome.
I saw a video by trader Nick who was interviewing some or having a conversation with some prop firm owner. And then that guy was saying like his traders are most profitable when the market has been trending the prior week and continues to trend the next week. And the most profitable ones, they simply, nothing fancy, they just buy a pullback and hold it. So they just mark out a level, buy it, and just hold it and ride the trend. And then everyone blows their account when market is trending 1 week, then the next week it like goes range bound, and then everyone blows their account. Or if range bound and the next week it goes trend, then they blow their account.
Makes sense.
Yep.
Man, the more you look into it, prop firms are exactly like, I don't know how big it is in Australia and the US, but a lot like betting companies, you know, like gambling, sports gambling companies.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
they love when you get those big wins, those big accumulator wins, like, this guy won 100,000 on a £2 bet or whatever. They love it. It happens so rarely, but they love it because the marketing they can do on the back of that just invites a whole wave of people to be like, that could be me, that could be me. Same with prop firms. You get people that do $60,000 in a day or whatever, get a payout. That'll probably never happen again, or they'll blow their account 8 times before they do it again. But from a prop firm, the marketing value in that is so powerful.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
I'd rather speak to the people that make 5%, 3% a month for, you know, that's what I like, seeing the guys that and girls that get their lifetime payout, that share their lifetime payouts over like 2 years, and it's like 100,000 or something like that, which is much more achievable and much more realistic. And those are the people that don't get interviewed on YouTube.
Yeah, it's true.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
And you gotta be interested in the people that don't blow their accounts. You know, they maintain and they consistently making time and time again.
100%.
And to be honest, even on YouTube or just in social media in general, is the mindset of most people. Most people are looking for, I don't even want to say fast money, I'm going to just say an easy way out. So when they see, oh man, this dude made this amount of money, this dude made this amount of money in these many days or in a month, pretty much unrealistic goals. That's what most people are attracted to.
100%.
And all these, you know, so-called trading gurus, they know that too. That's why they keep making those type of videos and keep pushing it out.
Yeah.
And both Trader Nick and the prop firm owner were clowning on ICT.
Who doesn't?
I love it.
I love it.
Because all those freaking account flip challenges, if that, man, there's no way in hell videos like that should be freaking getting hundred thousands and millions of views. Something that's unrealistic. Yep, pretty much greed.
Yeah, exactly. That's all it is.
And if a
Sure.
trader tells you, oh man, I've only been trading for 5 years and I've made $10 million. Like, you don't need anyone to tell you that this $10 million did not did not come from trading. This money, 10 million. It is impossible to make 10 million in 5 years from trading. Except when you started trading, your account balance was in the millions. And man, even if it was in the millions, I don't even think it's possible. And how many retail traders can come out and say, oh, when I started trading, I already had $1 million sitting in my account? I would say none, zero. But yet, they'll come out and tell you, I've been trading 5 years and this is what I have, this is what I've made from trading, and you believe it. And you believe it. Meanwhile, that same trader, of course, has a course, has a mentorship. You should know that, okay, well, maybe they've made 10 million, but all that money did not come from trading. Stuff like that, some lies, this is just like, you should know, no, this guy is definitely lying. There's no way you made that amount of money in 5 years. Because your first year, you were probably still learning and struggling. Your second year, see, probably ups and downs. And then maybe your third year, yeah, then, you started seeing good results. But nah, that's some videos. I be watching some trading videos. Once it gets to a point, it just take 1 or 2 sentences to turn me off. Once you say something that turns me off, I know it's a lie. I'm clicking off. Even some of these podcasts, some of them I don't watch it to the end. Because you can't fool me.
Man, I feel so dumb how I got into this industry, how I was completely fooled and scammed. And I look back at this guy now and I'm like, man, I was such an idiot. How did I believe this guy? Oh, man. Some of his old YouTube things are still up and I'm like, man, I was so dumb. But I had to go through that and learn that lesson to come out the other side and start to learn properly and put it in work. But yeah, this guy, his name was Daniel Legg. I don't mind sharing his name, but man, so dumb.
Oh, you in German 40 buys. How's that going for you, Light?
Light, I saw your gold trade the other day. Nice, man. Very nice.
Yeah, I saw it too.
Yeah, dog deal. It happens, man. It happens. I'm sure there's a lot of us that got into it that way, but thankfully we come out the other side.
Yeah, I didn't get into trading via YouTube. I got into trading through someone that I was doing Uber at the time. That was how I got introduced into trading, and it was with IML at the time. I was living in California. So it's called IM Academy now. I believe they're still around. That's how I got into trading.
Oh, nice.
But of course, the way, man, everything he told me was a freaking lie.
Oh man.
He was just giving me all these figures, and I was just thinking, damn, I can make this and not have to freaking drive for freaking 10, 12, 14 hours, freaking 6 days a week. Man, sign me up. Man. Go my first account. I was like, I'm about to make this money. I'm about to quit driving. Man. Blew the account. Happened twice. And they were all swing trades too, only 4-hour time frame. Yep, thinker, absolutely. And at the time, I don't know about now, at the time, even the people that signed you up, they don't even want to teach you anything in regards to trading. They just want you to go out there and sign someone else up. And just keep repeating the process. At the same time, I would still give kudos to IML, the company itself, because the videos they had pretty much helped me with the basics. Helped me with the basics, but I was like, man, if I'm paying almost $300 a month, but the signals you're sending is trash, I'm not making money off of it, what's the point of me keeping it? Like, if I, like, in regards to trading now, if I pay someone for a month, I at least expect to make my money back in the first month. If I don't, I'll give you 2 more chances. In the second month, if I don't make the previous month I paid you back, okay, 1 more chance. Now the third month, I need to make at least minimum my investment back, at least. If I don't, then that's it, I'm canceling it. When I used to take signals, that was what I was doing. At the time, I should have looked for a community instead of looking for signals. Man, thinking back now, I just prolonged my journey. And all for what? Just prolonged my journey for no reason. But I thank God for all those experiences.
Yeah, exactly. Look where you are now.
You know, sometimes in life you just got to take the longer route for you to realize. Hey, Rainmaker, how you doing? Yeah, they're still around. Got into trading by asking your solicitor. He introduced you to a lady in Germany who was an IML recruiter, and Bob is your uncle, as they say. Yeah, IML, they got big real quick. Like, it was freaking worldwide. That CEO man, he made, see, what's his name? Terry. Wait, is it Rick Terry or Terry something?
Uncle Terry? No?
I don't think they called him Uncle.
Who's that? Who's that big time scammer? That Uncle something.
Oh, Ted?
Uncle Ted, yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Academy CEO. His name is Terry. Terry the Fat Shack. You're in Nassau? Oh. Damn. Ish. Should be coming to the lows. But you stopped out of that trade while your buys?
No.
Your buys?
Still in.
Yeah.
Man, you are holding.
I'm holding it till the bitter end.
Did you close some?
Oh yeah, I closed plenty at 400 pip mark.
Oh, good. Still got that Honda Civic.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Did you take the sale yesterday?
No.
Oh.
I don't think I even traded. Oh wait, I took one like quick gold trade. Tried to catch the bounce. Only got 10 pips, and then it bounced after it took me out.
Oh, okay.
And then I just didn't trade. I don't know. I don't feel any urge to trade.
I wouldn't either after 400 pips.
Yeah, I'm like thinking maybe this trade has like quenched all my trading urges for a good while.
Yeah,
What?
see, that's a good attitude to have.
What are we trading today? I mean, James, it says it in the title. Gold Futures and XAUUSD. They're pretty much the same.
Hey, but are we not at a 15-minute demand right now?
There's no 15-minute demand here.
No, okay. I
As
marked that candle.
this one.
Yes,
Uh,
I marked that one.
I don't see it holding. That's why I didn't mark it.
Okie dokie. Okay.
If anything is going to hold at all, maybe this 5, which I think is already there now.
Yeah, that's from. Is that from Tuesday, right?
That's from yesterday.
Yeah. I've got that
Mm.
on mine.
Like, if there is no higher time frame, demand or supply, I don't want to use the 5 just by itself. Like, there has to be at least a 15-minute demand there as well. So if that doesn't hold, maybe the 5 will hold. Now, instead of using that one, we can take a look at this 30-minute demand instead, because we did not close below it here. We just wicked it, even on the 15. We can use that, but definitely not the 5. I'm expecting that it's gonna come to the 4-hour demand, so we'll see. You're watching live from Kenya. Welcome. So the way we're reacting at this one here, I'm gonna watch this on the 5 and see if we are going to get however high we go, something like this, and then we'll look to take the bias from this 30-minute demand. So we're gonna watch this from the 5-minute for now. I actually completely forgot about that 30-minute demand, to be honest, until you brought up that 5-minute buy.
I still had it on my chart from Tuesday. I remember the price is rocketing from there, so kept it.
Are you already in Dubai's pie?
No, not yet. No, not yet. I'm just watching it. But I am working hard and just trying to catch that initial bounce, if you like.
Ah, okay. Yeah, get that computer, sign up to one of those like Top Step, whatever. Just get the cheapest account so you can take a look at Trade-O-Bait.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we'll do. It's fine tuning.
Yeah. And if everything goes wrong, you start blowing accounts, don't blame me.
I still haven't forgiven you for fast track. Our discount code doesn't work. You and Lucian are on my list.
I deserve that.
Yeah, see,
Man,
sometimes this. Sorry, what?
No, but say what you want to say, man.
No, I was just gonna say, look at this. Sometimes it looks like they're just gonna fake in the buyers and then whack.
Yeah, like waiting for that, waiting for another pullback from a demand when we have a BOS is very crucial, even if the time frame is bullish, because you don't want to get faked out. If you guys remember, pretty much a year or even 2 years ago, I wasn't doing that, and we lost a lot of trade because of that. Once we tap that demand, the demand is good. Even if there's a breakout structure, I would just take it. And we were trading on a 5-minute too. That's why I always preach, like, whether you win or lose, you always have to back test, because you are going to notice a lot of things the more you back test. And back testing just allows you to pretty much get familiar or get used to that pair that you're trading. That way you get used to it, you understand how it moves. But if you don't do that, then, well, you're probably gonna end up trading another pair. And that pair is gonna do the same thing. Plus, I think I also said, like, once there's a BOS, at that point, I prefer looking at the higher time frame demand, preferably the 1 and the 4-hour demand. Once in a while, if the 30-minute demand is just so freaking clean, then I will add it to it. Like this 30 right here. And of course, if this 4-hour doesn't hold, you have a 30-minute demand down here, which could hold. Make sure I got that 4-hour right. Okay. That's where I'm expecting gold to come to. Either reject off the 4-hour or even this 1 hour down here. We could eventually break it, but I'm expecting at least a pullback from there, a decent pullback too. But we'll see what happens from this 30-minute demand though.
Yeah, we're at like a really nice level where everything started pushing up on Tuesday. That big move. was it like 300 pips?
Can we get more likes here, YouTube? You guys have not even been giving us 100 likes.
Natural instinct. Afresh.
If this 5-minute candle flips, I said 5:15. I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna use 90. 90 pips. Let's see what that's gonna be on forex. Oh, there's 90 on there. Yes, Jeffsky. You're welcome, Jeffsky. What's my entry on forex? So on forex, entry will be, and this is on trading view. On your broker it will be different. I set an alert on there, so once you hear the cha-ching, you can get in. But there's a chance this might come 24-hour demand. It's at 2906.09. And on my broker, if that happens, it should be get that entry on my broker is going to be 2906.02. You hate London volume? I mean, today's volume is actually not bad, to be honest. Well, what do you guys think? Today's volume is actually better than yesterday's.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, volume's really good. It's just
Nope, not
in the
really.
wrong direction.
Not really good. Not really good. It's just good.
Okay, really good for London is what I mean. One London traders a week.
I've been willing to make this announcement. My body has really been telling me, my guy, you need to start getting a lot of sleep. So I've really been thinking, eventually, might be sometime this year, or I might just start it next year. I will only trade NY session, so I can pretty much sleep. That means when I decide to do that, there will be no more London session, whether private or on YouTube, but I will still stream on YouTube, and it's either going to be maybe twice a week or 3 times a week, and the rest is going to be just us in the mentorship.
I want to make an announcement.
I will be 40 this year, so you should understand that this man over here is not getting any younger. Even though I don't look it. What were you going to say?
Just going to say I want to make an announcement. I'm making my YouTube debut next year in London session.
Oh man, that will last 2 days.
Man, it's going to last more than that, because, man, Wally's not going to allow all the BS I be allowing. It's going to clap back. Just got in time when I said I'll be 40 this year. Yeah, Mugisha, I will be 40 this year. In a few months. Yeah, that took it a bit, getting back in the gym. And you know what? That's also going to give me time to do that too.
Yeah, that's good. You should probably do that sooner than later. You know, it's like just start up slow, right? You know,
man, YouTube is going to come for you.
Maybe like every Friday, you take like the Friday London session off or whatever, you know. So that way you can have like a 3-day weekend.
Like start slowly.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Any better invitation? Well, are you in the US? I ain't paying for your ticket though. But I will invite you. You can eat, drink. Hey, if you smoke, hey, we'll have a smoke session. I am going to celebrate it though, because it's 40. It's huge. You usually don't celebrate my birthdays. Except if you wanna call going to dinner and cutting a cake and drinking and smoking, if you wanna call that a birthday celebration. But this time, I'm doing it differently. I'm actually gonna have a party. I'm the king. Well, if I'm the king, it doesn't mean I got to pay for your ticket. Yeah, Pa. If I don't do it this year, definitely next year. The pair we trade moves best though in New York anyways, so if gold doesn't give a setup, now should give it. Your name makes my face brighter. That's funny. Jollof and fufu. I don't know about fufu, but there would definitely be jollof. I actually haven't thought about fufu at all because I really don't like it. There'll be jollof, there'll be fried rice, there'll be goat meat, there'll be pepper soup.
Jesus Christ, I'm coming. Where's the invite? I hear you.
For my birthday in July.
In July, yeah? And you're gonna hold it where? In the US, yeah?
Yeah. It's my 40th, so I will be celebrating it.
Okay, that's brilliant. Oh God. If I can't be there, you're gonna at least put us on Zoom, yeah? And I'll get my collection of food as well. Yeah.
There's something called DHL. I should DHL the food. Oh, you're a Cancer too. All right, nice. The best sign in the world.
That's not a good sign. You don't want to be Cancer.
Says,
That's the worst sign in the world.
Says who?
Me. Man, if I got Cancer, I'm in trouble.
That's another way to say it, crab sign. Okay, how about that one? Yeah, I don't know why they would. Man, whoever came up with the names for all this zodiac sign, why does it have to be freaking Cancer? And then the freaking icon is freaking crab. And then Scorpio. Wait, is Scorpion like Scorpion?
Yeah. Leo, the lion.
Yep, freaking Scorpion. Yeah, Leo, wait, is Leo lion?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a lion, man. Cancer's got the short end of the stick, pretty much, because no one wants to get cancer. Your Pisces, nice. My younger brother is Pisces too. Yep, I rebuke that too.
One with Pisces birthday coming up now. Or if not already.
Oh, is there? Wait, yeah. Wait, I think it's their season already.
Yeah, it is like now. Oh my god, today is the anniversary of my dad passing. Beautiful Pisces. God, 9 years it's been.
We Africans do not have that. That's true. It's very rare. Cancer is very rare in Africa.
Oh, you mean the sickness?
Yeah.
Yeah. Obviously. It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, all these, sickness is very rare in Africa. Except for like malaria.
Yeah. That one you can't run from. Do you know, that's one of the reasons I'm scared to go home, because I'm allergic to mosquito bites for a start.
I mean, like even with the malaria stuff, it's not with like all African countries. It's those like underdeveloped African countries, and it's they usually get that in like the pretty much the rural areas, like the villages and stuff. So if you go to Africa, as long as you don't go to the underdeveloped villages, then chances of you getting malaria is very slim.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean zodiac signs? We have it. Okay. We'll see what happens from this demand here. Starting from the 4 hour all the way down to this 15 here. Now, but if we do close below this daily low, just what I said we'll wait for, we're gonna have to wait and look at the 5 minutes, see how we close. If we close below here, then we wait for this setup using the 5, and then we can take it on the 15 if we want, because we closed below here, below the previous daily candle low, which is pretty much the low that created the high. So we close below the range. But if we don't, if this 15-minute close rejecting, we can just take it as we crossing this candle. So this candle pretty much has 7 more minutes to close. delete this entry here. And of course, forex hasn't touched it yet. Something. I need something sweet. Be right back.
Man, can you believe Abe's gonna be not gonna be trading like only New York? He went from like wanting to trade Bitcoin on the weekend to trading Asian session, London and New York, all the way to now he's gonna only trade one session. Yeah, Edwin. He's getting old. Grandpa needs his snap. Oh, did you take any trades? Clap on gold. Yeah, damn. What'd you take? Buy Asian session. Let's see. 15-minute, 5-minute. 5. All right, let's see. Asian session, 5-minute. Huh. I'm surprised you lost. There's the buy off the, Japan Open. So you must have took it like what, afternoon? One to 2 hours after Asian. 1 to 2 hours. Oh hell! Did you buy right near the highs?
Oh, stop doing that, Edwin.
Who did that? Who was it?
Edwin.
Oh, God.
Always remember this rule: buy low, sell high.
Yeah, draw it on Abe's chart. Let's see where your entry was.
Yeah, where's your entry?
Because if you bought the Asian Open,
That's
Japan
where you
Open.
bought?
Oh.
Nah.
You could have bought the Asian Open and that would have been a win. Or you could have waited for the deeper pullback and it wouldn't have given 1-to-1 if you bought the deeper pullback though.
Okay, you should have been looking for the sales.
Now Edwin says he can't delete it.
Oh, I'll delete it. That's money talking. What do you mean? Life hack? So on forex, we've not tapped this 4-hour demand. Futures could be waiting for that, which means if that happens, which means we could come to the 1 hour instead, or it could still be the 4-hour on futures. We'll see. Well, whatever we reject here in this box is still the 4-hour demand still, but to get that entry, we're gonna have to keep moving this demand if this 4-hour does not hold. Yeah, it's in a range. It's in a big range.
Yeah.
And the range now, we're just in the major low of the range. So pretty much, if you can identify those range just by looking at the time frame you're looking at, just go to the daily and keep marking previous high and low of the previous daily candle. It will help you spot the major high, major low, minor high, minor low. That's the easiest way to do it if you can't. Actually, let's do an well, I'll mark up NAS again down in New York anyways. Well, let's look at an example real quick. So now, let's say before the drop of this candle, this daily bearish candle here, you can have, so where is it? So that's a previous daily candle high, that's a previous daily candle low. Now, where is your next previous daily candle high and low going to be? Now what you do is going to be this candle right here, but instead of marking the highs, you mark the lows, which is going to be this candle here. What is that? Previous daily candle low, and this one is going to be the previous daily candle low. You can add the I also if you want. That's another previous daily candle high, and I'm gonna do one more. It's going to be this candle right here. Now if we go to the 15 and just we gotta go all the way back. Where is it gonna be? Okay, so right here. Okay, so this was where we started from, and you say, okay, this is my first range in the 15-minute. I have my major low, I have my major high, and here this is your minor low right here to be your 15-minute minor 15-minute minor support. It's that simple. And then if that breaks, you have your previous high here. But for me personally, instead of I won't even bother marking up the previous daily candle high. I'm just going to mark the previous daily candle low to the left since we're falling, and I'm also looking for supply and demand setup anyway. I'm not looking for break and retest. If I'm looking for a break and retest setup, then I'll mark the previous daily candle high as well if we break that low. Okay, so as a supply and demand today, you don't need to do that. You can just do it this way, just like how I've marked it, and it will be easier for you to spot your major high, major low, minor high, minor low. You'll be able to see the ranges clearly. Man, WebEx is, you guys can hear me good, right?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. I have this line here, the 1 hour demand. 1 hour will be closing in 7 minutes. Now we are going to see if this 1 hour candle is going to close below this previous daily candle low. See what happens. I should give room for gold to tap this 4 hour demand.
Oh yeah, Edwin, you should I don't know, I think you should try your best to identify what the market is doing first. Like, okay, it's in a range up there, and you don't take buys anywhere near the highs. In fact, you might even want to look for sells, but let's say you don't want to because it's so bullish, then you could just wait until it gets way low to buy.
Yeah. Actually, I was looking at this
Okay,
because of the break here on the 15. I thought like, she gonna wait. Where's it gone?
hold on. I'm trying to change this to the 1 hour demand. Okay, what were you saying?
Wait, let me just draw what I saw during Asian. I saw this, she broke it, and then she make a 1 hour demand, and then she retraced back. So I just take it here, but it was based on 5. I was entering too early, and my stop loss was I think around here, and she actually liquidity grabs here anyway, so it's gonna be a loss, regardless.
Yeah,
But then there's like a buy setup here because of the liquidity grabs, never close below. There's a 1-to-1 here, but I didn't take it anymore because I took it out.
that's not going to be the liquidity grab. This is going to be the liquidity grab if we close below here.
Yeah,
because you have to look at where the push started from. The push started from up here, and this was the first low we created. So this is where it's at. This low here. This was the continuation. This low was the continuation. So the liquidity grab would have been at 29.20.
Okay. Yeah, probably that's the mistake as well.
Yeah.
Man.
Plus, I don't like liquidity grabs at minor lows. I prefer liquidity grabs at major lows of the range.
Yeah.
At minor lows or minor highs, they work also, but they don't work as much as if you have it at a major low or a major high of the range. So I just don't bother myself to take the ones that we have at the minor highs or minor lows.
Also, if you identified that that's a range, like a big ass range up there, you just don't even look for buys near the highs. Like, just forget about it. Come back, wait for a high volume session.
Yeah. Man, I thought you're gonna trend up actually because of the minor BOS on the 15. Thought like, yeah, this is nice.
So forex, we finally tapped this 4 hour demand. However, it's looking like the 15 is going to close below 1 hour as well. But I'm more focused on the futures chart here. And yeah, 1 hour is closing below here. If the 1 hour close below strongly, I'm actually going to wait for no clean supply. Okay, no clean supply there. All right, no clean supply on the 15 either. So if the 1 hour close below and we start pushing up, I'm not going to take it off the wick. We got less than 2 minutes here. Need a strong closure. So yeah, we're gonna close.
I have a general question about the 4 hour.
On futures or forex?
But it's just a question for everyone. Do you ever doubt it? Just because the 4 hour is different on so many different platforms and brokers, it could be like an hour out. Does that change your thinking at all, or do you just pick one and stick to it?
I just pick whatever I'm looking at.
Yeah.
Okay, so the 1 hour closed below. Let's take a look at forex 1 hour. Well, 1 hour didn't close below, closed rejecting. Difference between forex and futures. So the fact that you get a long week here, right, could mean that bears either stepped in here and we could continue. So I'm not knocking off the buys right now. However, I'm gonna need to see this before I take it. And that is why we are gonna start watching this on the 5 minute right now.
I just want to say buyers did step in. I am in.
Yeah, I mean, you trade the tick chart. Okay, we can't do like you. Yeah, the 1 hour, this long week already, it already let me know that, yeah, buyer stepped in. Because this week is longer than the top week. So buyer stepped in.
Oh, thank you. I'll take that.
So patience, guys.
All right.
Oh, and also you have to understand that waiting for the setup we're waiting for now is a way of making sure you're not getting into a risky trade because you have bearish momentum, and the bearish momentum, we broke lows. So we're no longer creating high highs and higher lows at this point. And the setup we're trying to take is pretty much a pullback trade on a lower time frame. So you need to wait for more confirmation. Right? And then look at that.
Whew. Luckily, I took it. I took it all off the table. I actually expect buyers to step right back in right here.
Yeah, they should. They should because yeah, the way this 1 hour candle closed, that's yeah, that long bottom wick. It should, but it might consolidate before actually pushing. And if it consolidates, definitely gonna take it.
Yeah, if it consolidates, you take the break, even better, even more momentum
Yeah.
or power to the upside.
Mm-hmm. Facts. Yeah, some people will take these buys right away. They don't care about what I'm talking about, but I care.
Is my tick market similar to options? I've never traded options before.
Oh yeah, I've been wanting to ask you that question too. Because I think it will be like options, the tick chart. Because you really in and you out real quick.
Oh. Like kind of how you said you used to do the, what was it, 15-second options or something like that?
Yep. On
Those are binary
pocket.
options.
Yeah, binary options. That's binary options.
Options is different.
Oh.
So what's the difference between binary options? Because I was doing yeah,
Binary-
pocket options is actually binary options, right?
Binary options is like betting for an asset to go up or down in 1 second. If you go up, you win. If you go down, you win. It's
I tried this, man. I'm like, never again. Never again. Did I even still have that email? Shit, what was the email I was using? No, not sign up. I'm trying to sign in. There we go. Let me see. Do I still have money on there?
Wait, I think you did, right? Didn't you have like a tiny bit of money in there last time you showed us?
Oh, 74 cents.
Let's go. Fucking put it all on the line, Abe.
It's not gonna let me.
Oh.
I think you need at least $5 in there.
Shit.
Yeah. Man. I don't know how some people trade that pocket option.
I doubt that I would do well because sometimes if I get in a trade, sometimes it consolidates on my entry. Then I would probably lose.
Yep. But I figured it's like trading binary options, man. Once you make that money in 1 day, man, just forget it. Come back the next day, just take that money and go. If the 15 closes bearish again, I'll consider the buys. If we start breaking this candle. Just New York, Diddy. And then YouTube will probably get New York stream on YouTube, maybe 2 or 3 days. It's probably gonna be 2 days, we'll see. It'll be like Tuesdays and Fridays. for Tuesdays
You
and
know,
Thursdays. Huh?
if you're only doing New York, you can do the swing trading thing. Just set the alert, and then maybe throughout the day it'll pop off.
Yeah.
Because we haven't gotten a single swing trade since the start of the year.
Really?
Yeah, remember the start
That
of
was
the year
in December?
we start. No, start of the year, like January. We
Oh,
got a
okay.
few, and then that was it.
Yeah, we've not really been looking too.
Yeah, and that'll give us, and I think that's probably better. Like New York, high volume day trade, and then other sessions are lower volume. So just set up a
Swing
trading
trades.
view alert, yeah, and then do the swing trade, let it go.
Yep. Because if I'm trading to just New York, man, this time I'll definitely be sleeping.
Yeah.
When will I start? I don't know yet. Sometime this year, if not, definitely January this year for sure. So how many ticks did this move give you?
I
20?
got 40.
Damn.
I think I was up like 15, and then it just popped, and I was like, oh, I'm out.
Oh no, for the mentorship, it's still gonna be 5 days. On YouTube, is gonna be 2 or 3 times a week. It's probably gonna be 2 times, because I don't want to keep dealing with YouTube 3 times a week.
And hey, we'll see what happens next year. Maybe I'll stream London a few times if I feel like it. Maybe
Okay.
Pi, Lucian, maybe they'll stream. Who knows?
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah,
I still remember. Sorry.
No, say only in Discord though. If anyone wants to hang out and to trade,
Yeah.
Not YouTube.
I'll never do YouTube. No way, man. I haven't got the patience.
Lucian, you do YouTube?
I think I will stream on CNN. Bloomberg TV.
On Bloomberg.
I remember there's a few times me and Lucian were streaming at the same time. It's good fun.
Yeah, it's good fun.
And I still remember Kill the Beat said he wanted to stream a Asian session and never did, and this dude just never ever streams. I would have thought he would have done it a few times at least, but nope, never.
So, if this 15-minute candle closes bearish, as long as we do not close below the bottom wick of this previous candle, it just means that, okay, sellers try to get back in again, but the buyer stepped in, and if we start breaking above this candle here, it gives us the confirmation to take buys. Sellers try to take control again. Buyer said, nope, it's our turn now. Because the buyers, they already got in here. Question is, are they enough?
All I gotta say is I want to see Kill the Beat stream. I want to see his chart. I want to see what Fibonacci's and moving averages he's got on there.
You probably only do it on Discord, not on YouTube.
Sorry, what did you say? 16 gig is okay.
Yeah, 16 is fine. 32 is like future proofing. Like you're going to be good like many years into the future if like, you know, shit gets more intensive, resource intensive.
Yeah, as long as you're not streaming, 16 is good. You're talking about for the RAM, right?
I recommend 32. I have 16, but when you have like multiple MetaTrader open and you will use like 70% of your memory. If you can, take 32.
You know what?
I mean, it
it
should still be good, but you know,
yeah,
if you have the funds,
like
the difference is
edge.
not that big. Financially, you can just get it 32.
Yeah, it will be $50 more.
Yeah,
Because I have 16 gigs, and man, I have 75% of my memory used.
Okay.
To MetaTrader, WebEx, AMP futures. So if you have more, you need like 32. It's to be on the 50% usage.
So the way this candle closed is not bad either. It still shows that buyers stepped in. Shows that right now, looking at the week, you pretty much have buyers and sellers in this candle. As you can see, the top wick and the bottom wick, they pretty much equal size, which is still good. So now if the buyers pretty much close above this candle, then this should continue to the upside, but I'll be looking to take it above this candle. Plus, you now have a support from here, and the way the 1 hour candle closed also shows that buyer stepped in. Now, let me see how many pips this is going to be. Ooh. Well, that's 120 on futures. Okay. Let's see. All right. Forex even looks better. And Forex, I can actually take it here, but I'll take it right here. Gotta look at what this stop loss is going to be. Okay, we can use 100 for Forex. 100 pip stop loss for Forex. Once you get your ching, it's time to get in on Forex. I'll call it anyways.
But that's a good idea, that what Wall said with the New York day trade and then swing trade. I think I use 4-hour zones and 1-hour entry because 4-hour candle is too big. Set alerts, use the 1-hour bearish closure for buys and vice versa, and put pending orders because
you can still, I would say, use the 4-hour entry, still use the 4-hour entry, but use the 1 hour for stop loss.
But it's if a 4-hour candle has 200-300 pips, like for example, right now you have a setup with 4 hours demand and 1 hour entry. Forex. I looked. And 200 pips stop loss.
Oh, this is forex.com. I like forex.com chart and trading view, even with the swing trading.
Yeah, it's better, but if you want to use volume profiles, don't work. Forex.com. They don't provide tick history, I think.
What price is the supply level? Looking at futures, there's nothing until we get to this 15-minute up there. Oh, looks like Forex might get there first. Okay, that's the alert on Forex. I took the buys on Forex. Man, the spread is so freaking high. I'm not in on futures just yet. Usually wait for futures first, but this should be good. In case you wanna hold for a 1-to-1, get 2. Man, I'm just waiting on futures because I got a good use to this from.
You can put pending on futures.
Oh, that was the quant tower.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was my sound.
Had to do it on.
How do you find one tower?
This is the first trade on it. This will be the first trade on it.
Don't forget when you close trade, press flatten.
I'll be right back. Well, please take over from me. I'll go use the restroom now. If you trade futures, just in case you don't want to hold this for 1-to-1.
I think I will start sooner than King with the New York trades. Give up to London.
You said what?
I think I will start sooner than you with the New York trades and give up London and trade the swings. I think it's the dream of a trader. Trade one session. Have free time for you and family.
Cool. Alright. Be right back.
Yeah, or yeah, order field. Or only trade London, yeah.
I think a futures is in King.
Yeah. After yesterday in New York, I thought King will mute my mic.
Man, I would have banned you.
I know. I'm glad that you're not a co-host.
No, you were right to do that, because if you didn't and we took it and we lost.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Exactly. You never know.
But even on 5 was not a very rejection. Just more like a feeling trade.
I've never seen a candle go straight to 1-to-1 so quickly. There was no drawdown. Perfect trade.
Usually that candle, they come where you are not in a trade.
Yes. Yes.
We've seen it happen before when I was streaming London.
Yeah, but only you were in a trade, so it doesn't count.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that was a crazy trade. Man, instant 100 pips in a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
Power of the order flow.
And
beautiful.
I will not say power of order flow, because even with order flow, you don't know if someone came in and buy so aggressive. You expect a rejection, but not so crazy.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know when Goldman Sachs wants to buy. I listened to like an institutional trader or something who trades with banks. He said if on the first 1 hour you don't have big volumes on the footprint, that means the big players are not here, and you don't want to trade this session. because you want to trade session that you see that big player are in, because they will move the price.
That makes a lot of sense.
If you see on the first hour, like tiny contract here, 20 lots here, you don't want to trade this. It will be a range session. You see big orders, the move will come in the session because big player are there.
Have you verified it? Have you seen it yourself?
I just hear it and I go to sleep then. But makes some
verify.
sense because you wanna trade with big players because they are moving the markets.
Yeah.
If they don't play, that means they don't like that. So don't think.
Because I have always heard, or like from those people who trade stocks, it's like the first 30 minutes and the last 30 minutes of the day is like it counts for like over 50% of the whole entire day's volume. I think it's like 60% of the entire day's volume is in the first half and last half hour.
This is also true for the candle. For example, the entire volume of a 1 hour candle, it will be in the first 15 or the last 50 minutes of this candle. Sometimes even the 5 minutes. Wait for an entry and then the last 3 minutes the candle flip bullish and go up. Now we have close position, take partial break even.
Oh, Abe is doing the 50% thing again?
Maybe from some accounts. Maybe he puts that for buy. Where the close position take, I think is the 1 hour entry for the swing trade. But if you want to swing trade on NAS, you cannot do it on your future account, on your forex, because you don't have. You need a lot of money to hold trades.
Yeah. There's no way they would have let me hold that position overnight.
Yeah, and with indices when they go up, man, if you hold 1 week, 2 weeks, you wait like month that you will not make entire month or 2 months of day trading.
Oh, very nice, Bob. Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, it's almost 50%.
Hi, are you out? Let us know.
You just need 10 pips more.
I'm not saying
quickly.
I'm not saying anything.
Are you out, you son of a bitch?
I've closed some.
Everyone, he's
Yeah,
out.
like 98%.
That's funny. I'll
This
appreciate it.
sound.
Hey!
Okay. This thing might come like right back down because it's leaving a ton of gaps on this very fast push up. But obviously it will probably be like re-engaged by buyers. He just knows when to get out.
Yeah. This was a laugh of like a William guy from Marvel.
I think you're all very mean.
Oh, you got in on this buy 2 kill the beat? Nice. Yeah, I got in too. Where did I get in? Let me check my broker. $28.98 98.6, and then stop loss was 97.6. So 10 pips stop. Oh, on futures, jeez, on futures it was like way low. My God. On futures it was 900.5. Oh, 3.4. Ah, that's a nice entry too. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Nice 1 to 3. Beautiful, beautiful. Was that like a 3-minute candle that you were looking at, Kill the Beat? Very nice, very nice. Man, my internet's fucked.
Yeah, that's the other thing I'm looking at about this whole desktop upgrade. It's all well and good having this fast PC, but if my Wi-Fi sucks, it's not going to do much.
It's an issue, man. Gosh. It's annoying. It can be so frustrating, isn't it?
Oh, I hate it. I hate when MetaTrader spazzes out when you're trying to enter a trade. You end up pushing a button 3 times.
Oh.
And it fires you off 3 different positions. Like, oh shit. I think it's our first trade on YouTube this week, right?
Yeah, probably.
Beautiful. I want to see some W's. Get some W's in the chat. Oh yeah, second trade. I think we took a loss on Tuesday. Yeah, let's go to this. Yeah, WWE. Let's get it. WWE. Point trades. Jesky. Eddie. Who's this guy? Kill the Beat. He sounds cool. W is nice. Beautiful. Who haven't we seen yet? I want to see Duxer with your W. I want to see Cash Banks. There he is. Cash is there.
Man, I want to see that FX rehab guy. You know, with the signals in his name. I want to see how much money he made by like sending Abe signals to his signal channel and calling it his own.
That's exactly what happened. You know it.
Yep.
Yeah, we love Cash over here. Beautiful. Max, where's your W? Get your W over here.
And I was not paying attention, but we had like the 1 hour open of the current candle, almost 300 contract buy order.
Beautiful.
All right.
Yeah.
Pullback time already, so that was fast. It's gonna pull back a bit and give you another opportunity to buy some more if you desire.
A big shout out to our friend Kalido with the forehead, if he's watching, wherever you are. Much love. Hope you took the trade.
Oh, sorry, Light. I didn't see that. This Huncho Vivo, man. Man, I might have to ban you. Let's see.
You said sorry. It was a buy.
Oh, he said he apologized?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, you're lucky, Huncho Vio.
Yeah, I was about to ban him. He was being a bit rude.
There's a chance for my pullback here, but I'm anticipating the pullback is just going to be to create a bottom wick if we do get it.
I don't see the supplies from the left to hold price.
Huh?
I don't see this supply from the left to hold price. 50-minute supplies.
This
weak.
one here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weak.
Everything is possible.
Yep. Even weak supplies, weak demand be holding.
That's true.
I think we will retest this fat order.
It should go right back up because it kind of finished with the pop, which means it took out the seller's stop losses.
Possible swing?
Yeah.
Looking at the daily right now, I wouldn't say swing from here. And this is the reason
looks so
why.
bad on the daily.
Yeah.
Don't look at that.
Yeah, I wouldn't say swing from here because we could still come right back down. Because if you look at the daily, just pay attention to this area that I just circled. And you have this, because you got a resistance to the left. We retested the resistance again, and we could come down. So I wouldn't say swing from here. I would say swing if we break above this daily resistance. If we break that, then you can swing, because at that point you have a higher chance of breaking this high. So until this daily resistance is taken out, there will be no swing. That's just my opinion. If you don't agree with me, then hey, you can swing from here. We are still bullish overall, all right? There's no denying that, but you just got to look at that circled area I just circled. Hold till 29.20. I know you trade forex. 29.20, 29.20. Let's see. Yeah, we should get up there. We should, but don't just leave it to run if that's what you want to do. Take some partials and leave it running. That's where we should head to. Oh, on forex though, on forex, I would say look to also take profit pretty much at this 4-hour supply, because we could get back up there and start coming down. So at least that 4-hour supply. So from the 4-hour supply all the way up to the 1-hour supply, that would be your possible sell zone. Let's see what that looks like here. So Yeah, 29.22. You're welcome, Jeffsky. Oh, the reason why I had you, well, the reason why I had this 50% thing marked is because, just for some of you who wants to just take partials at 50%, and of course for YouTube. But when we only get back to New York session, man, I'm deaf all trades. I'm holding for 1-to-1.
Might as well call it a pie line.
Let's take a vote. Should we call the 50% mark the pie line?
We should. We should.
Oh no.
YouTube, should we call it the pie line, the 50% mark?
Oh man.
That's wonderful. The pie line.
Oh, Totty, come on, man.
But that's hey, listen, you're a trailblazer, a
Trendsetter.
trendsetter, trailblazer.
Yep,
Yeah,
Alex said yep.
Pie line.
Alex
Yeah.
agrees.
And instead of take partials, take pies.
Take pies.
We took that pie.
10 years down the line, you're going to see all these people say, "Yeah, I invented this, the pie line." And
Oh man. It's
Damn.
right up there with the celery play.
Just go and register the name because someone will steal it.
yeah,
And you'll see on YouTube trading the pie.
Yeah. Oh man. Pineapples.
Trading the pie strategy,
Oh, that's good.
pie concept.
you know,
Kill the beast
you
done.
had your
Kill the
piece
beast
of
done.
pie.
Kill the beast done a good one. Take partials.
Take partials, yeah, partials.
Damn, and he said 10 to 20% mark, not 50. Mike said pineapples. If I was confident in sniping, after that 1 hour close, I would get in.
And if I saw earlier the 300 contract buys on the new hourly open, I would buy earlier.
Yeah.
I didn't stop, didn't pay attention.
Oh, you're back to only the 15-minute chart?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, no, and the
Okay.
5 too.
Oh, okay.
Both.
Because I was looking at the 5, I was like, hey, there's actually a entry even lower down.
Yeah, I should have taken it on the 5. My mind skipped it. When I switched back to the 5 on Quantower, I'm like, damn, they're taking that on the 5.
Yeah, I was like, oh, look at that.
Yeah.
It's legit.
It's above this week, yeah.
Yep.
Just give confirmation on the 5 and then on the 15 with the support form. And I think it would have been, well, I think above that, probably would have had it here. Yeah, above this candle. Even if we do get a pullback, we should just come back to the 15-minute demand, worst case, and continue up. But unfortunately, if you moved your stops already, then that means you'll be stopped out. Today, I think we only have one news though in New York. Yep, unemployment claims again. Isn't that what we had yesterday?
Yeah, I feel like
change.
There's unemployment. Oh.
Non-farm employment change yesterday. Today is claims. At least it's just one news, so.
Yeah.
And my stops at B. Nope, I didn't move this to B.
I will say NASDAQ is a lot more dangerous, where it's like stops to break even is kind of nice. Yeah, big news tomorrow. Market's gonna make huge moves. Hopefully not stop out my NASDAQ trade.
Oops, snap. Let's do that. Well.
Yep, still in that NAS trade. Riding it till the wheels fall off.
The last 3 minutes of 1 hour.
Okay, guys, I bought my PSC, my new PC. I said POC. My new PC.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
Only because I won that trade.
Oh, fine.
Money well spent.
Well,
32 gigabyte memory.
Yeah, 32 gig.
you got a laptop or like PC?
Desktop.
Gaming?
Yeah, PC.
Gaming PC or?
Yeah, gaming. Yeah.
Nice.
What's the graphics card?
Oh, bear with me. Oh, now you're asking me some technical questions. It looks nice.
Is the processor at least is the processor, is it at least 4,000 or 3,000?
Yeah. I've got an NVIDIA 4060.
What?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that'll be
okay.
enough.
Yeah, that's good.
It's a good one.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Intel i7, 1 terabyte drive, 32 gig.
Oh, you go 1 terabyte.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, that's
Man,
okay.
that's more than okay.
Oh, this thing. Man, I'm going to be the ultimate trading guru.
Now,
The most important in the PC. What color is the PC?
color.
Oh, it's black. It's black. Black.
Blue are better.
Now, now you just need like 5 monitors.
Yeah. And a mic.
Yeah, if you moved your stops to BE, you've been stopped. And I hope you took partials, at least you didn't just move to BE. He said, do you have LGBT lights in your keyboard?
Yep. I got the LGBT plus.
Yeah, that's what I got. Freaking them RGB lights.
I never thought of it like that.
Mine is 4070, 32 gigabyte, and 1 terabyte hard drive also. I think, what's the name of this freaking PC? I think it's Sky something, I don't know. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, last trading day. All right. Hopefully we catch another setup tomorrow as well. If you want to trade New York session with us, the mentorship link is in the description. Aside from that, God bless you all. See you guys again tomorrow. Peace. I'm out. All right, guys. I'm gonna see you guys during our session.
All right.
We'll see what happens with this trade if you're still in.
Beautiful.
Thanks, Abe.
Okay,
Thanks, Abe. Thanks, everyone. Bye, guys.
Thanks,
care.
Abe. See you later. Bye.
All right, you're welcome, guys.